Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we start out at mile 246 on US Highway 11 in Augusta County, Virginia. We almost immediately enter the village of Mount Sidney, a census-designated place. Although this is not an incorporated municipality, we'll be driving through the Mount Sidney Historic District with homes and buildings dating back to the 1820s. The district was listed on the National Register of Historic Places in 1998. Mount Sidney had a population of 678 as of the 2020 census. Here we skim along the western edge of the unincorporated community of Weir's Cave, which had a population of 2,700 as of the 2020 census. In 1927, the community became the location of the first chapter of the Future Farmers of America, later to become the National FFA Association, a nonprofit career and technical student organization which offers middle and high school classes that promote and support agricultural education. 2 schools in Weir's Cave are listed on the National Register of Historic Places. The name Weir's Cave refers to what is now known as the Grand Caverns, located just to the east. This limestone cavern claims to be the oldest show cave in the country, operating since 1806. Legend has it that the cavern was discovered in 1804 by Bernard Weir, a 17-year-old who worked at a local distillery and stumbled upon it while searching for a lost trap. Initially called Ammond's Cave after the landowner, Matthias Ammond, it was opened to the public by Ammond within 2 years. However, locals preferred to name it after its discoverer. During the Civil War and the Valley Campaign, both Confederate and Union soldiers visited the cave, with over 230 soldiers leaving their signatures on the cave walls. Presently, the cave offers various tours, but it's essential to make reservations in advance through their website. We enter Rockingham County, the birthplace of Thomas Lincoln, President Abraham Lincoln's father. The 2020 census recorded 83,757 residents. The Rockingham County Fair is highly regarded as one of the top rural county fairs in the United States, according to the Los Angeles Times. It offers a range of traditional attractions such as tractor pulls, a demolition derby, amusement rides, an antique auto show, a flea market, and country and western concerts. The fair also showcases local specialties like quince and crabapple jellies, gingerbread, peanut brittle, canned huckleberries, and sauerkraut. As the largest agricultural county fair in Virginia, it focuses on highlighting farm life and food production through exhibitions and events. Held annually just south of Harrisonburg at the Rockingham County Fairgrounds on US 11, it draws attendees from across the region. We entered the town of Mount Crawford, which had a population of 439 as of the 2020 census. The town hosts several small businesses, such as antique stores and furniture shops, primarily located along US 11. Additionally, within the town's zip code, but outside its limits, there are two notable shipping facilities, a regional Walmart warehouse, and a smaller facility for the Rosetta Stone Language Instruction Company. Although Rosetta Stone's headquarters is situated nearby in Harrisonburg, they operate this smaller facility within the Mount Crawford area. One notable feature of this town, as well as many other small towns along US 11 in this region, are that many of the homes appear to have been built right on the edge of the highway, with little to no front yard. Just step off the porch and onto the edge of the road. In some cases, it would be very easy for an automobile to end up on someone's front porch right next to the rocking chairs and swing. Now, presumably, the highway was much more narrow at some point in its nearly 200-year history, and in the process of bringing the road up to modern standards with 12-foot lanes and paved shoulders, there wasn't anywhere to go except to eat up some of the front yards and sidewalks. As we've seen in other places, the solution to this is to completely reroute the highway around the town, but that frequently means the death of that town, as there's no more reason for anybody to visit once the bypass has been built. conclude today's video at mile 256. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.